Hey everybody, welcome back and welcome to this edition of JB on EDC. So I've had a few questions in the past about, micarta and basically revitalizing the micarta. Micarta can become worn, you use it for quite a bit and it can get fairly worn. But how can you bring it back, bring the luster back to it to potentially something like that? Well, it is super easy. Super easy to bring it back. And all you're going to need is really this right here. Not this particular brand. This is just one I found on Amazon. But food grade mineral oil. Protects, restores, conditions. There you go. Let's see, will it zoom in? And not really. No smell, no taste, 100% pure, but food grade mineral oil. It won't rot, it won't stink, like a vegetable oil could potentially do. It will sour. So just use mineral oil and this and this. It's all you need, guys. Basically, alls I do. Now the other side, I did the other side just to kind of show you the difference. Of course, I took the pocket clip off. But basically, I just get a little bit. It's got a little spout on it. I get a little bit on my finger, and I just rub it in. That's all you need to do. You don't need anything fancy. You don't need an applicator. I mean, you could use a rag. You could use, cotton swab, anything. Just get it on your finger and rub it in like that. Now you'll see you've got bit of a sheen going on there. Then just take your rag and wipe off the excess. Like I said, guys, it's super easy. Wipe off the excess. I just wipe it down real good. And then there you go. You've got your micarta back. And it's now this, of course, is the little CJRB RIA. Very super easy. It's, and I've had a lot of questions, and that's what I use, when I was looking at it. I know how to do it, of course. I looked around, and, mineral oils seem to be the best, and for me, it does work the best. Now, I did this one. I'm going to move that little RIA out of the way. I did this one eons ago. It wasn't quite this bad. But it had faded. Yeah, it definitely wasn't that bad. But I personally like this look. But, I wanted to say, okay, this is one of the knives I did when I was first figuring it out. It was probably, I'd say probably halfway in between those two. That was probably, I didn't have a before picture for this one. But how long has it been? If I say 2 years ago, it's probably been 3 that I did this one too. Like I said, it wasn't as faded as this other one. Definitely not that bad, but it was faded kind of good. But I wanted to play around with it and see what happened, and it came back really nice red. Should have done the video on that one way back when. But see, now you've got your luster back, and once you get it wiped off, I mean, you can sit it out, let it dry. Let it dry overnight, let it dry for a little while before you carry it, if you want to. Now, sure, will it start to wear again? Sure, after a while, this micarta, is going to wear like that. Especially, burlap, any type of that rough micarta that it doesn't have a sealant or anything on it like that, it's going to wear. So you can definitely bring it back super quick. I mean, how long did it take me to do that? 30 seconds? Probably not even that much. The other side, to do the whole knife, it'll take you a little bit more because, to really get it in there, you got to take the pocket clip off, I mean, I guess you could pry it up and go underneath it if you really wanted to. You really didn't want to take it off. But yeah, and, just go over it, make sure I'm not super like that. I probably could have got a little bit more in that, but I'm not super worried about it, to be perfectly honest with you. This is just kind of an example of what I did and how to do it. So I hope that answers the question for those of you that asked. Super, super simple, super quick, super easy. I just, yeah, I don't know how else to put it. Super quick and easy. And you got your micarta back. If that's what you want to do. Me personally, I'm definitely going to leave this one because I like that worn micarta look. It's just what I do. But the little CJRB RIA, it got a little upgrade just for you guys. So, super quick video for you today, guys. Thank you so much for checking it out. Greatly, greatly appreciate you. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Like, subscribe, leave me that comment. You know I love talking to you. Until next time, I'll talk to you later, guys. Bye-bye.